everyone. I had issue with my microphone, so I had to do this video again. So today's analysis is a no confirmation entry, and I hope you guys are gaining value from other contents I'm actually dropping. Don't forget to actually ask your question on the comment section. Now, this analysis, I want to show you how we can get a low confirmation entry with a lower stop loss and a higher pips. Now, you can see here now that this is a swing low which signals a break of a change of character, a breaker block, and we also have what here, a mitigation block. But now if you can see that market took out what, external liquidity, can you see that? And there's a rule I created in my head. When market takes out external liquidity, market always come back and take in internal liquidity. Now if you can see here, we first have what, based on our rule, we first have what, a break of structure. That is the last candle before the impulse move downwards, which took out the external liquidity. Then what do I have here? I have what, a fair value gap, also a source of internal liquidity. And I have what, I have also liquidities here, which is also equal highs that market has come to take in also. So don't forget, our external liquidities are more of equal highs and equal lows and old highs the market has taken out. Now we're going for the internal liquidity. Now the internal liquidity, these are the zones we have categorized under the premium. Don't forget to use your Fibonacci, the premium and the discount. If you can see this here, you can see that this is the premium and this is the premium and this is the discount. Okay, so now my entry will be on 5 minutes for those that are day trading. On that 5 minutes, you can see that these are liquidities. The market goes to take our liquidity inside here, external liquidity, and we're going for the internal liquidity. On 5 minutes here, I would go and check here. What am I seeing here? I'm also seeing a form of fair value gap around here. I'll use a different color. I'll use blue. So you can know that blue is for 15 minutes. Fair value gap here, and what they gain, an order block, minor one. So I'm waiting for market to get into that area. It's signaling to me that there are confluences in that zone. You can see here we're playing it out and we're waiting for it to get to that zone. Okay, I'm not still seeing a good confirmation here. Now the confirmation would have been here, right? But now I'm waiting for another entry for confirmation. Another entry for confirmation is, you can see here there was what, a break of structure inside. Can you see that? There was a break of structure inside. You can see that, right? And we have what? We have an old low here, which we're expecting market to come and break. Now market has taken that old low. Now what do we have now? We have what? We have a mitigation block. Bam. And we also have what? We have a breaker block. When I'm using the word bam. Now, for me, I will take my entry from the mitigation block or the breaker block. But I'll look inside again. Is there any form of liquidity around here? I can see a minor fair value gap around here. A minor fair value gap around here. I can go as low as 5 minutes just to get a more refined entry, but I prefer to stay on 15 minutes. So I'll take my entry from here and I'll put my stop loss above here. And what will I do? I'll be very careful, because if I look down on these 15 minutes, I can see that there is a mitigation block also here. So I'll put my line here also as my TP1. This is how I'll use the word refinement is. I'll use that one as my TP1, and below here is my TP2. Below here is my TP2. And I'll come down to 4 hours where I took my entry from, and I will mark all this part here. You can see that TP3, and here as my TP4, and I'll take it all down here. And you can see this trade is what? This trade is what? 1 to 9. And if I go back to my 1 hour, just stay there and be cool. Make sure it's above here, not to have any form of drama on your trade. Because when we analyze from 4 hours, this whole zone was a source of liquidity. You can see, right? Other block is also here, just to be on the safer side. Then I press my play. I almost got kicked out. Can you see that right there? I almost got hit out. And this is how the trade goes. And you hear people say, oh my God, I had so 1 to 10, 1 to 12, 1 to 10. And you be like, oh my God, are they getting bigger trade? No, they refine their zone to something very small. All I'm showing you, I struggled with this thing for 3 years and it was really tough for me, but my trade started changing when I started understanding that I could actually analyze my chart this simple and this nice to get a more refined entry and more better TP and more slower when reduced stop loss. So I hope you guys gain some value from this video. I hope you practice it in your trading, and I hope you also change the way you analyze your charts also. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel, tap on the subscription button below, and thank you for watching it fully. Thank you so much.